Hello guys and welcome back. Let's talk about Domino's stock. So on Twitter, I posted a tweet on the setup for Domino's, and in this video, I want to go in very in-depth on the setup. On the daily, it looks good, and especially if you actually zoom out on the daily and especially on the weekly time frame, this looks like an amazing setup for a swing. So for a trade for multiple days. And I'm taking a look at this setup for shares as well as options. I've been a lot more careful with options right now with the current market conditions and the current choppiness, and we have some catalyst every other day that knocks the market to the upside or the downside. So I'm taking a look at particularly mostly a shares play for Domino's, and I want to go in a lot more in depth in this video. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube. I'm getting a lot more plays, but once I see more plays and once I see more opportunities, I will be posting a lot more. Okay, once I see the quality, I'll post the trade ideas. Again, the market past few days has been insane. And also follow me on Twitter. That is where you guys can kind of get live alerts at what I am looking at. So let's get started with Domino's. First, I want to take a look at Domino's at a very big time frame. Okay, a lot bigger. Let's go back all the way to 2018. So this is on the weekly time frame. Each candle is a week, and we can remove the volume candle bars. But we are taking a look at this setup, and we could see that we do have a head and shoulder pattern, which I want to talk about later on. This typically is a bearish pattern, which if we break this could leave room more to the downside. So that is the first thing that I see, but the main thing that I see is a incredible level of support. We could see that this was a previous level of resistance around 2018. Around this time period of 2018 and in 2020, we had this consolidation period, which it broke out and it ran incredibly, and now we have been testing this level, and this is the second time this year that we have tested this level. So we have a solid double bottom going on here. We have a double bottom, which is a amazing confirmation, and I have to say this setup looks beautiful. Psychology wise, on the weekly time frame, this setup looks amazing. The volume also looks amazing. Look how whenever we touch these levels, especially these levels of supports or this level of resistance, we have these spike in volume, and we could see that we do have some very nice volume at this level, and that is what I am looking at. So the first thing is we're going to be going long over here, but this is going to be our critical of level of stop loss. So if you are bullish, we are bullish on Domino stock because it is sitting at a very nice demand zone. This is going to be our stop loss. So if below $298, and kind of the third thing that I actually kind of want to mention is the price. $300. Psychology, again, all psychology. Psychologically, that is a very nice, even 300 number. So this level is at $300, right exactly at $300. So that is really the third reason. As I look more into this setup, it just looks great for a nice shares play. So this is going to be the level 300. We really need to hold this level. If we kind of go below this level, it is bearish. So especially the next couple days, next couple weeks, if the market does tank more, just keep in mind of this level and watch it on the weekly time frame. Okay, if we close below, that is going to be bad, and that is going to be the stop loss. We do not want to be below this level of area, and right now it looks great. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame because it looks even better, and especially if you're looking to trade options, it looks a lot better for an option play, a day trade, or a swing trade because of multiple reasons. First, we have a symmetrical triangle, and the second thing we have is a gap. And again, Okay, not only does it look like a great shares play, but man, it looks like a great option play for a day trade or a swing trade. Taking a look at the daily time frame, let's zoom out a little bit over here. Okay, recession concerns, you guys know the drill. Market downturn. Okay, double bottom, solid double bottom going on. Nice volume on these levels. Sorry with my drawing. So we have a double bottom, we have a gap, and then we have a symmetrical triangle, which I'll be going in. And then obviously we are in a downtrend, so we have some sort of a resistance on that trend. So we could see that we have been falling drastically. The peak was around $560 for Domino stock, and we have been falling ever since, and we are double bottoming out. So man, again, this looks like a great play. Many reasons. I can really just go endless on this play. Okay, now when we zoom in for this play, we have the symmetrical triangle, so we have the support and the resistance getting tighter, and we are getting extremely tight that we are getting ready to break out. And as you guys know the drill, when we are trading sideways, we are getting ready for a breakout, and we want to play the breakout and ride it to the upside. And in a case for this, our price target for short-term price target is $342. That is a solid price target if you're playing options. So you can grab next week options or whatever, and that's going to be a solid price target for Domino's. And then the stop loss could be this level of resistance down below if you are day trading. Okay, if you're day trading. If you're doing shares, again, I went over in the starting. But overall, very nice play. Hope you guys kind of got an understanding. Again, all of this is psychology. Everything that I mentioned with the support, with the price, and the $300 target, with the symmetrical triangle, with the gap, all of this has to do with psychology. And again, I had 2 years, almost 3 years now, just 3 years of experience with this, and I'm taking a look at shares right at market open, and then obviously a options play. Okay, I'm not going to really recommend options for a play, especially if your account is under like $10,000. I would not recommend this options play, or I would probably recommend a call debit spread, if you guys know what that is. But pretty much make sure to follow me on Twitter, on YouTube. Definitely have a lot of more plays, but what I've been working on right now are shares, plays, and managing my risk. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later, or possibly tomorrow, because I do have another play that I'm looking at, a short-term option plays. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later.